Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Muslihuddin bin Zainal Badri. I am from DCS 4A. In this video, I will to share you about evolution of motorcycle from 1.0 to 4.0. In 1867, an American named Sylvester Howard Roper invented a two-wheeled vehicle powered by a two-cylinder steam engine. Because it's a steam-powered engine, that means there's a boiler and fuel, a big flywheel and more. Anyone who has ever worked in an area with a boiler will know how hot the surroundings are and try to imagine a boiler on a motorbike. Roper did not call the vehicle he invented a motorcycle. In fact, he did not give any name to the invention. In fact, the similarity of Roper's invention with today's motorcycle is the heel, one in front and one back, because it did not use the engine as we know it today. Many did not recognize Roper as the creator of the motorcycle. We move to 2.0 generation. 18 years after Roper's invention in 1885 in Germany, a man named Gottlieb Daimler created a two-wheeled vehicle that was driven by an engine invented by another German, Nicholas Otto. Otto is known as the creator of the Otto cycle engine, or what we know as a four-stroke engine. But it should be stated that the fuel used by Daimler is not gasoline as it now, but gas fuel. To balance the vehicle created, Daimler added two more wheels on the left and right so that the vehicle does not overturn. Because of this, many people deny that the motorcycle was created by Daimler. In addition, Daimler concentrated efforts in developing the car after its first invention. The 3.0 revolution is the ecosystem on motorcycles. EcoMode has only one purpose, which is to help you maximize fuel efficiency. Here's how EcoMode works and how it affects your vehicle. The eco function has a direct impact on the performance of a vehicle. This includes less responsive acceleration and lower transmission gear change point. The motorcycle model that uses the ecosystem is the Yamaha Ego Avantis, which has 124cc. Many generations now use it. The cost is also very reasonable and very easy to start because it uses the electric starter. To activate the ecosystem, you only need to press the button that symbolizes the green leaf and it will be active. Lastly, the 4.0 revolution. The fourth revolution was the first electric motorcycle designed in Japan. This electric motorcycle has many advantages, among which is an environmentally friendly e-motorcycle because it does not emit as quickly as its counterpart powered by an internal combustion engine. There is no smell of burning gasoline and the absence of a tailpipe guarantees zero emission. The maintenance cost is also cheap. So, this is the 4.0 generation motorcycle. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching.